एक बार बारिश होती है सारी बाइक गंदी हो जाती है, गर्मी में रहता है। क्या देख रहे हो? ये थोड़ी देर में बताता हूँ।
Hello YouTube. First of all, apologies for creating a bit of suspense, like like a third-rate suspense before my intro started. So I will be taking you through what I talked about my T-shirt. So I got them custom printed. I did on that a bit later. So today I am heading to Karol Bagh, and so agenda today is get the handlebar of the Dominar replaced. I am looking at, I saw a couple of handlebars like 2 or 3 weeks ago in Karol Bagh at Golden Bikes. I got the flashers. Oh sorry, I didn't turn on the flashers. So, you know one of the mods now. So I would be changing the handlebar, and I would most probably go for the off-road motocross handlebar with a center bar welded. It's a little higher, and then it's value for money, about 450 bucks, good quality. So I think that makes more sense rather than going for something that is priced at about 2,200 and the likes. Along with that, I'm gonna take you through a couple of modifications that I've done on the bike, like the aesthetics and some pretty functional. So I'm gonna do a bit of that as well. And the mods that I'm doing on the bike is not for the aesthetic looks only, not to make the bike look different than the other lot, but it has a purpose to it. I would be doing a ride the next month, and trust me guys, it's gonna be a big one, a really big one. So stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you like this video, press like, and if you find it worthy enough, do share your thoughts and share this video with your friends. So sit back, relax, and listen to some what do you want to listen to? The DJ is in the house. So I'll play some acoustic guitar for you, like a little soothing one. So, it's getting cold. Here I enter the famous Karol Bagh market. Now I am heading to Golden Bikes. I hope I remember it correctly. I mean the way. Let's see. आगे से right. It's like 12 o'clock and the market is slowly rising. Touts are running behind cars and bikes so that they can, take them to their respective shops and earn some commission. Chicks roaming around. You can find some super bikes here, and they don't have it right now. But you usually find super bikes here. There's one. I think this is Aquila. Not worth it. So here I am. I'm at the shop. I'm at the shop. Now they are here assembling the bike. Check taking the handlebar out now. There's a time lapse going on here, so I'll show you the time lapse as well. I'm at the shop. I'm gonna take you through the shop as well, the door like, and what do we have to offer, what are the prices like. So let's see how well does it go. There might be an issue with the wiring, so they can read out the wiring and all. So let's see.
0.
So I'm finally done with the handlebar change, and trust me guys, it's a world of a difference. So this is the off-road motocross handlebar that I've got, and the seating position has become more upright, and I have not done any changes to the seat and neither to the foot pegs as well, only the handlebar. The seating position has become more upright. You can see how well seated I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop right here and take you through the bike, take a walk around and show you what all mods that I have done on it. And what do you think of the bike? Just let me know in the comments down here. And if you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe, share if you want, and yeah, spread the word. So let's see. So this is the handlebar that I have changed, motocross style with a central bar here. So for this we had to do a couple of modifications in the bike. So by modifications I mean, first of all, the big change that was there was to change the brake line. This is no more the steel braided brake line now. It is borrowed from the Thunderbird and goes up till, you know, it's here, so that's obvious. So we've routed it from here behind the shocker, and then it comes here and then it goes here. Zip ties, I need to cut them a bit. So this was one of the major changes that I had to do. Braking suffered a bit, you know, the bite has become slightly less, but I'm sure with time it's gonna be better, because, you know, there was some oil spill on the disc brake, and I'll have to work upon the brake pressure as well, maybe bleed the brake once again. So that was the handlebar. You can see how the look has changed. Maybe if I would have someone else, I would have got a picture click. The second thing that I've done is the Novotronics hazard system. So this comes with a 72 pattern. Now this one is like, you know, I don't know what to call it, but really a good thing. All I have to do is I have to, you know, like this is, it's not blinking at the moment, you can see here. So 4 times, and it's, you know, 4 times left right, it's done. So it blinks. To change, I just have to switch on the headlight and it changes. So it changes the pattern like that. So, you know, you can do it on the fly. Again, I forgot one thing to mention about the handlebar. We also had to change the clutch cable. We had to do a longer clutch cable. So this was a generic one that they got. I paid about 150 rupees for this. 680 for this, about 450 for the handlebar and 500 for the labor. The Novatronics came for about, it would cost me about 1800 rupees and plus about 350 as the labor charge. So a good thing again. And the third thing that I've done, which caters to the more aesthetic part, is the adjustable clutch lever. So this is borrowed from the 390. So you can adjust the width of the clutch and the brake lever. So even the clutch lever is adjustable, it's a direct fit. So you pay about 1800 for this and you pay about 450, 500 for this. Again, the next thing is the tank bag, the tank pad. So this is a generic one that I got for 850 rupees. Good thing I had to remove the standard one, bit of scratches, don't mind the scratches here. So this looks better, it covers a major part, especially if you have to mount a tank bag on it. So it covers a lot of ground on the tank. Coming on to the seat, this is like a usual seat cover just to match the bike. I know it's a little off tone, but it looks quite good aesthetically. This I thought of this theme from the Z800 Wine Red edition. So yeah, so that's the bike for you. And also the horns have been changed. I have shifted to Hella Red Grill. I bought them used because these were made in Germany. The present one that you get, they are made in India. So I don't know how much did I pay for this. This was taken off from my earlier Royal Enfield. Yeah, so that's the bike. Let's go take a walk around. And then ride the bike on. Off we go. Now this thing has become a perfect tourer as per me now. All I have to do is I have to get one side carrier fabricated, which I'll do it during my next visit to Karol Bagh, which would most likely happen in the coming week or maybe another 10-15 days. I'll post a video out of it. There's a world of a difference in the rear view visibility. So by visibility I mean I can see 90% of what's coming behind me. So if you can see as to that this is my normal seating position, and I can see the entire road behind me. Similar on the right hand side as well. So basically because the handlebar got a little wider and the mirror stem shifted from here to here, so I can see I can have a wider view at the back. So again a plus point of getting this handlebar installed. And this bike is so fun to ride. I mean now after the handlebar change, that I don't have words to express it. Maybe you can get the handlebar changed and ride it on, or if you live nearby in Delhi, we can fix up a meet and you can actually ride this bike and see how does it behave. And the braking is actually not bad, as I was mentioning earlier too. I just had to adjust the clutch, the brake lever here, and it's fine. So I'm going to end this video right away. I hope you've loved the video, you've enjoyed the video. And if you have a question about the mod or something, just drop in your questions too. I would love to answer your questions too. So that's all about for today. I'll see you the next time. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.